Hey guys, I hope you're all doing great. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this little matching purse. It's like a sling bag and it's so simple. So by the way, these are my socials. Please follow me if you don't, and also subscribe. So to start off, I start with the fabric that is 20 inches long and 11 inches wide. Then I fold my fabric in half, and then I marked 4 inches from the top, and then I drew a straight line using my chalk, and then I marked 1 inch from the edge, and I also drew a line. And then I took my curved ruler and then I drew a curve on that straight line. If you don't have a curved ruler, you can just freestyle it. Then I went on to cut that out. So there is where I cut to get the shape of the flap of the bag. Then I folded the remaining part in half. Then I went to the corner with open edges and I marked a 1 by 1 inch square, which I drew with a chalk, and then I went on to cut that out. So when I open it, it looks like that. Then I took my fabric and then I placed it on top of my lining fabric. I used this solid red polycotton fabric, and then I cut that shape out. After that, I also cut out my interfacing. This is medium interfacing. After cutting out my interfacing, I went on to iron it. Then after ironing, I now took my lining fabric and then I placed it on top of my printed fabric with the interfacing right sides facing each other, and then I pinned right round and I went on to sew on the edges. I left the bottom open. So before I turned it inside out, I made these little notches on all the corners to make sure that when I turn it inside out, everything will lie nice and flat. Then I turned it inside out, and then I pressed it again to make sure that all the edges were crisp. And so when I was ironing, I went on to the bottom part, which I'd used to turn the bag inside out, and then I folded the edges inside and ironed them. And then I went on to stitch and close that gap shut. So before I stitch the sides of the bag, I cut 2 pieces of binding which were 2 inches each, and then I folded them and I placed them on the sides. And then I stitched my sides. So there I stitched my sides. Then I went to the bottom and I folded the bottom to get the shape of that bottom, which I also went on to stitch. After stitching all the edges and the bottom, I turned it inside out, and this is what it looked like. So you can also add inner pockets if you want. And then at this point I just added my magnetic snap fasteners. And then I attached a chain onto the sides, and then I just put that button to hide the magnetic snap fastener. Thank you so much for watching this video, you guys. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye.